Today I'm going to show you how to add a Google tag to your GoDaddy website step by step in a quick and simple way. This is important if you want to track traffic, measure conversions, connect your site to Google services, and get better data about how people are using your website. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. First, you'll need to copy your Google tag ID. This is the code that starts with G-, and it's the one you'll paste into GoDaddy in just a moment. Make sure you copy it exactly, because even one missing character can stop tracking from working properly. Next, log into your official GoDaddy product page. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the website and the marketing section, and click Manage next to the specific site you want to connect. This is where GoDaddy lets you control your website settings, design, and tracking tools. After that, click Edit Website to open the site builder. This may take a little time to load, so be patient while the editor opens. Once it's ready, you'll be able to access your website settings from inside the builder. Now look to the top right management panel and click on Settings. In the Settings area, select Google Analytics from the available tracking options. GoDaddy uses this section to connect your website with Google tracking and analytics tools. Here's the key step. Paste your Google tag ID, the G- code, into the tracking ID text box. Double check that you pasted it correctly and that there are no extra spaces before or after the code. This helps make sure your tag is recognized properly and starts collecting data. Once the code is entered, save your changes. After that, make it live so the new tracking settings are published to your site. Depending on your setup, you may need to confirm the update or republish the website for everything to take effect. And that's it. Your Google tag is now added to your GoDaddy website. From here, Google can begin receiving data from your site, which helps you understand visits, performance, and user behavior much more clearly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.